People are experiencing brain fog these days. I hear it every day. I can't focus. I can't concentrate. My mind isn't sharp like it used to be. Brain fog happens because of metabolic and circulatory disorders, dysfunction, and oftentimes they're subclinical. People could go for many different kinds of medical evaluation and really come up with very few results. The problem with metabolism is that it's not a thing, it's a function. There are so many organs involved in metabolism, and in order to restore it and restore your thinking and focus again, we need to know which one of those organs is at the root cause of the problem. With nutrition response testing, we're able to actually identify the root organ problem and the exact nutritional supplementation to fix it. If you'd like to know more information about nutrition response testing, visit my website at michaelformandom.com.